All right. Hello, my fantastic fourth graders who are learning a lot about note writing and lines and spaces. And we did a lot with this in the last lesson, which was a lot of videos. And I want to start doing more activities where you have hands on and you're not always on your iPad. So I'm going to teach you, and you're going to need some things to do this. And I went and got a bunch of quarters, and I made myself a music staff with 5 lines and a treble clef sign. I just took a piece of paper and just drew that on with a marker. So if you want to just pause the video, and when you get these materials all set, and it might take you a few minutes, that's fine. You can unpause and then we'll start. So push pause and go ahead and get your materials. Okay, are you ready? So we are going to take our quarters and we're going to put them on the line notes like this. Lines and spaces, baby, 1, 2, 3. Lines and spaces, baby, 1, 2, 3. And these are our line notes. We learned about them in the last videos, and we say every good boy does fine, or any one of those other things that you learned. So we start at the bottom. Every good boy does fine. Okay? And then if we move into the spaces, and there are only 4 spaces, take that one off. Then we have F, A, C, E. Spell space. F, A, C, E. And you're going to notice I made my lines just the right size to fit a quarter on there. If yours are kind of awkward and you want to pause this video and go make one that's sized correctly, you can do that. And then I would keep that handy because we're going to use it again. We're going to practice these lines and spaces. So today we're going to spell some words on the musical staff. So we're going to do 5 words today, and they're going to get a little bit longer each time. So the first word I'm going to give you is gab, G-A-B. Oh, 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 the children like to gab, which means talk too much. We just don't seem to run into that problem when you're at home learning. G, second line is the G line. A, and P. Okay? That is how we would spell gab. Check your work with mine. You can always pause the video whenever you need to. Okay? Last time you were just trying to name the note before the person in the video. Now you're actually spelling some words. Okay? We're going to do a word that has 4 in it, so you need 4 quarters. And how about this one? Deaf, which means you can't hear. Deaf. You need a D, and then an E, and then an A, and then an F. Now, what's interesting, oh, and you notice how I did them from left to right? D, E, A, F. You don't want to stack them like this or put them in the wrong order. Just like you would spell deaf from left to right with your letters. We don't go up and down. We go left to right. D, E, A, F. Okay? Now, if you're looking at this and saying, oh, I used a different E, that's possible because we've got 2 E's on the staff. We've got a line note E down here for every good boy does fine. And we have a space note E up here that is from face, F-A-C-E. Same thing for the F. You could have the every good boy does fine F, or you could have the F from F-A-C-E. And either one is correct. Okay? So last word for today, we're going to have 5 letters. So take your 5 quarters. And our word is going to be badge. B-A-D-G-E. The officer wore a badge. B-A-D-G-E. Now, if you are still working on it, press pause on the video so you don't get the answer before you put it on, because it's about learning. So pause it if you don't have it, and then you can check your work when you're ready. Okay, here we go. 5 letters. B. Boy does fine. There's no B from face, so that's the only B you could use. A. It's going to be a space note. D. G. And then E. And there are 2 places. This is the only one that could have 2 spots in what we're doing. E or E. Now, some of you, maybe if you're piano players, you know about some other notes that can be below or above the staff. But these are the ones we're learning about today. So thanks for playing along with me. If you want to do some more, I'm going to give you a few more words that you could try, okay? Cage. Maybe you want to write these down. Cage, C-A-G-E. Faded, F-A-D-E-D. And I'll give you one really long one. Cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Have fun working hard, and we'll see you next time.